welcome to another exciting episode of your program, Work It Out, right here on the network service of the NTA. As always, every single week we bring students from across Nigeria to showcase their skill in solving mathematical questions right here on the program. And today is no different. We have four contestants today who are vying for our top prize. Let's meet our contestants. Contestant A.
I am Okon Chinazebiri and I'm in GS3.
Welcome. Contestant B.
My name is Okon Prince and I'm in just 3.
Contestant C.
My name is Nasiru Abdulhamid and I'm in JS3.
Contestant D.
My name is Edoro Marvelous and I am in JS3.
There are 3 stages on this program. Stage 1 has got 16 questions. You have 5 seconds each to answer one question. If you miss your question, it is a bonus question to the next available contestant. Do we understand that?
Yes, sir.
Let's start now. Contestant A, your question.
Question number 1.
What is an adjacent angle?
An adjacent angle is angle on a straight line which sum up to give 180.
That is not correct. And your time is up. An adjacent angle is an angle that shares a common side and a common vertex with another angle. Contestant B, your question.
Question 3.
What is the formula for the area of a square?
L square.
That is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Question number 4.
What is the formula for the area of a triangle?
Half base times height.
Half base times height is correct. Contestant D, your question.
Number 7.
Find the ATF of 3x and 6x.
3x.
Say again?
3x.
3x is correct. And now we're back to contestant A, your question.
Question 6.
How do you multiply binary numbers?
By multiplying each number times the base with their power.
And your time is up. That wasn't the right answer. Multiplying binary numbers is similar to multiplying decimal numbers using the long multiplication method. Contestant B, your question.
Question 9.
So what is the formula for the area of a parallelogram?
Length.
Your time is up. Contestant A, go ahead.
Base times height.
Base times height is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Question 10.
So what is a measure of central tendency that represents the middle value in a data set? And your time is up. Contestant A, you want to try?
Median.
The median, that is correct. Contestant D, your question.
Question 8.
What is the value of 16 plus 36 minus 49? Your time is up. A bonus question. Contestant B.
3.
3 is the right answer. Contestant A, your question.
Question 11.
In a data set with the values 5, 8, 10, 12, 15, what is the mean? Your time is up. Do we have a bonus? Contestant G?
10.
And 10 is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 2.
What is the formula for the area of a rectangle?
Length times breadth.
Length times breadth is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Question number 16.
Find the LCM of 8 and 12.
24. 24.
Contestant D, your question.
Question 5.
What is the result of adding the binary numbers 11111 and 10001? Your time is up. A bonus question to contestant B.
110000.
That is correct. Contestant A, your question.
Question 14.
What is the sixth multiple of 5?
316.
So the right answer is 3125. Contestant B, your question.
Question 13.
How many sides has a kite?
4.
4 is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Question 15.
A number is added to 8 and the result is 56. Find the number.
48.
48 is correct. Contestant D, your question.
Question 12.
A polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles is called
Quadrilateral.
a quadrilateral is correct. And with that, we've come to the end of the first stage of our quiz competition here on Walk It Out. We'll go on a break. When we return, the scores will be in and we will find out who is proceeding to the next stage and who is dropping out at this stage. Do stay with us. Welcome back. This is to Walk It Out. Contestant A came out with 4 points. Contestant B came out with 19 points. Contestant D came out with 10 points. While contestant D came out with 12 points. With that being said, contestant A bows out at this stage, while contestant B, C, and D proceed to the next stage of our competition. For this stage, contestants, we have 9 questions. And for the 9 questions, you have only 10 seconds to answer each question. Contestant A, your question.
Question 1.
Find the sum of 4 whole number 3 all over 4 and 5 whole number 4 all over 5. Your time is up. Bonus question to contestant C.
10 number 11 over 20.
That is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 3.
Find the sum of 1.26, 33.45, and 241.5.
That is equal to 276.21.
That is correct. 276.21 is the sum of those numbers. Contestant C, your question.
Question number 4.
From the sum of 40 naira, 20 kobo, and 60 naira, take away 80 naira, 60 kobo. Your Your time is up. Do we have an answer? Well, the answer is 19 naira, 60 kobo. Contestant A, your question.
Question number 5.
18 parcels are to be given to every child at a party. How many parcels are needed for 100 children?
1,800.
That is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 6.
There are 200 pages in a book. Each page contains 50 words. How many words are there in the book?
20.
You still have time. That is not correct. Your time is up. Bonus question to contestant C.
10,000 words.
10,000 words is correct. Now, contestant C, your question.
Question number 9.
Find the product of 0.17 and 5.2. Your time is up. The answer to that is 0.884. 0.884. Contestant A, your question.
Question 8.
What is the height of a parallelogram if its area is 99 centimeters square and its base is 11 centimeters?
9 centimeters.
That is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 7.
What is the area of a parallelogram if its base is 9.2 centimeters and its height is 6 centimeters?
55.2 centimeters.
That is correct. Contestant C, your question.
Question 2.
Question 2, which is our last question on stage 2. Find the difference between 3 whole number, 1 all over 2, and 1 whole number, 1 all over 4.
2 number 1 over 4.
That is correct. And with that, we've come to the end of stage 2 here on Work It Out. We will be going on a short break. We return with the scores and find out who our finalists will be on today's outing. Don't go away. Stay with us. Thank you. Welcome back to Work It Out. At the end of stage 2, we have the results and we find out who among our contestants will proceed to the final stage of the competition. Contestant A scored 29 points. Contestant B scored 22 points. And while contestant C scored 19 points. It was a close one, but this simply means that contestant C will bow out at this stage, and we're left with contestant A and contestant B to slug it out for the grand prize here on Work It Out. Join us again. Welcome back to the program. This is to Work It Out on the network service of the NTA. We're now on to the last and final stage of our quiz competition. So far, we had 4 contestants, and at this juncture, we have just 2 of the contestants remaining. I'd like to find out just who will go home with a grand prize today on the program. The rules haven't changed just yet. You have 8 questions for this stage and 15 seconds to answer the questions. If you miss out on any question, that will be a bonus question to the next contestant. Are we clear?
Yes.
Contestant A, your question.
Question 8.
Question 8. Convert 3:4 to percentage.
75%.
That is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 3.
What is the multiplicative inverse of 11 all over 20?
That is 20 over 11.
That is correct. Contestant A, your question.
Question 1.
Write 350 millionths as a decimal.
3.50.
You still have time. That's not the right answer.
0.25.
You missed out on that one. So the answer is 0.000350. Contestant B, your question.
Question 5.
Evaluate 0.62 as a fraction.
That's 31 over 50.
That is correct. Contestant A, your question.
Question 2.
Find a simple interest on 500 naira for 2 years at 20%.
200 naira.
200 naira is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 7.
Find 10% of 400.
40.
40 is correct. Contestant A, your question.
Question 6.
Find the square root of 25.
5.
5 is correct. Contestant B, your question.
Question 4.
Question 4. Shego's average score on the first 4 mathematics tests of the term is 92. If he earns a score of 77 on the 5th test, what will his new average be?
$35.5.
Say again?
35.5.
No, you still have time. Let's see if you get it. The time is up. It's a bonus now to contestant A.
300.
That is not correct. So the answer to that question to contestant B is 89. And with that, we've come to the end of the final stage of our quiz competition. Time for a break. We'll return with the scores and we will tell you who has won today's outing. Join us again. The results are in for our final stage of the competition, and this is how they performed. Contestant A scored 44 points, and while contestant B scored 37 points. And that simply means that we have a winner on today's outing here on Walk It Out. We will be giving them their prizes in just a moment. Join us again. Thank you so much for staying tuned on this edition of Walk It Out. It is time for us to reward for excellence our contestant today on the program. In 4th place, please welcome Okoli Chinaza. Thank you for coming. Better luck next time. And And in third place, please welcome Abdul Hamid Nasser. Well done. Congratulations. In second place, please welcome Marvelous. I would have said the marvelous man, but there you go. Marvelous Edoro. Well done. That was a brilliant performance. And our star prize winner for today, please welcome Okon Praise. What a performance that was, and this is for you. Congratulations, Praise. This way. What a show it has been. It's been fun, it's been exciting, and it's been a learning process for these young ones here today on the program. You watching at home can also be a part of this program. Come talk to us here at NTA ETV. If you think your child or your student or ward is smart enough to be on this program, get across to us here at NTA ETV, Tejosho Yaba, Lagos. We will be glad to have you. Remember, all our past episodes of this program are up on our YouTube channel. Just go up on YouTube, type in NTA ETV, walk it out, and you can see our past episode of this program. But that's our show for today. Until next time, next week, my name is Israel. If you're a robot, bye-bye.